Today, I'm going to show you how to share a single tab in Google Sheets. Perfect if you want someone to see only one section of your spreadsheet without exposing everything else. Here's the thing. Clicking the usual Share button in the top right shares the entire Google Sheet. That's not always what you want. Each tab in a Google Sheet actually has its own unique ID in the URL. For example, the first tab might show GID equals 0. Another tab, like 2024 sales, could show something like GID equals 5, 2783385. And 2025 sales might be GID equals 160, 3116672. If you copy the URL and add $GID equals plus the tab's specific number, anyone who clicks that link will open directly to that tab. Here's a quick tip for linking from within your sheet. Create a summary or index tab. Highlight a cell where you want the link. Press Command+K, Mac, or Control+K, Windows. Search for the tab you want, like 2025 sales, and select it. Now, clicking that link jumps straight to the tab. Super. Handy for dashboards or reports. But what if you want to share only that one tab and hide the rest? Click the tab's drop-down arrow. Select Copy to New Spreadsheet. This creates a completely new Google Sheet with only that single tab. You can share this new file safely without revealing other data. With these tricks, you can control exactly what others see, whether it's a direct link to a tab or a separate spreadsheet with only the data they need. I have added some sample data below in the video description. If you want to test this yourself, try a spreadsheet like this.